Hey everyone, this is Mr. Herbst here at Carterville Junior High. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our school homework website. Now, this will be a handy website to have if you ever misplace an assignment or if you're ever absent. This is where all of our homework is posted each day by our student workers, and this is where you can print anything from home or in our school library. So, the easiest way to get there is through the school website. Again, you can type in Carterville Schools or cartervillelions.org, and it'll take you there. Or you can just type in Carterville Lions or Carterville Schools in the Google search, and it will usually bring you up to our school homepage. Should look like this when you get there. You'll simply want to go over to Carterville Junior High here in the top bar, Carterville Junior High, and then you want to slide down to homework. When you do that, you'll usually see a box like this for each day. This is every single teacher here at Carterville Junior High, and every day there will be a link next to it. Now, at the time of me filming this video, we haven't started our homework website for the school year. We do start this actually tomorrow, Monday the 19th. So each day you will see a link in each one of these boxes. Miss Bonnets already has a link there. If there is no homework, you might see none. In addition, you might see some different class titles there, 7th grade science, 8th grade science, or different things. But again, this is what that'll look like. The teachers here are all in alphabetical order for easy finding. And at the bottom here, there's also some online math resources, a link for that. So again, you'll just click on that, and when you open it up, it'll pull up a PDF of all of the different homework from that class for the day. And if you have any questions, you can either email the teacher while you're out, or you can wait until you return and ask the teacher as soon as you get back. Other than that, this is the Carterville Junior High homework website. Again, to get there, just go to Carterville Junior High and down to homework.